First, attach the special tool, that is, the secondary sheave tool, to the clutch shoe assembly and compress the clutch shoe assembly by turning in the special tool handle. Now remove the movable driven face seat with thin blade screwdriver. Inspect the drive and the driven face, bell contact surface area for any wear and damage.